guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Hannah and I'm the mom with muscle. And in today's video, you guys, we are doing a kitchen island styling video. You guys are loving these series, so I figured let's just keep going with it. As a side note, I am going to be doing a fireplace mantle styling, but I figure every single person has a kitchen island. So I'm going to bring you guys that first because I think it is relevant to everybody. So if this is something you are interested in watching, just keep watching. But if you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell button for every time I upload a video. And if you aren't already following me on Instagram, be sure to do so at Mom with Muscle. But without further ado, let's get into this styling video. So before we get started, I just want to throw a couple different things in there. I'm going to give you guys specs on my kitchen island, and then I'm going to give you guys some tips on how I style my kitchen island. Again, I'm working with the decor I have, so you guys might see repeat in decor. I did not go out and buy a bunch of stuff for this video, so I'm working with what I have. The only things that I did pick up for this video were fresh greens and a variety of different citrus. So those are the two different items that I did pick up for this video, but everything else I currently own. I like giving you guys specs. So my kitchen island is 8 feet by 8 feet. It is rather large. So as you can imagine, when I style my kitchen island, my items have to be true to scale. If I do things that are super undersized, it's going to look puny. If I do things crazy big, it might look kind of out of place. So be sure to take that into consideration when you are styling your own kitchen island, is making sure that your styling elements are true to scale, that match the sizing of your kitchen island. So that is going to be like a little tip for you guys when you're styling. So coming into my decor, one thing I love using is cutting boards, charcuterie boards, something to ground your space. So in this look, I have a raised charcuterie board. This board I did get from HomeGoods. It is very oversized, but I love that it has little feet on it. So that could be a super simple DIY that you guys could do. Grab a cutting board that you love from HomeGoods or Target or whatever it might be and throw some feet on it, because once it's elevated, it just adds that dimension when styling your kitchen island. So that is the first element of my kitchen island. And then I have my cooking book. Keep it relevant. Don't put Tom Ford or Louis Vuitton book on your kitchen island because it doesn't make sense. I have my cooking books because I actually use these. I go to these all the time for different inspiration for foods. So I have my cooking books here on the kitchen island. And then on top of that book, I have that really cute marble dish that I have a burning candle in. And then I trickled around the candle. I have a variety of different shards of quartz crystals, geode crystals, and then of course my stage stick for good energy. And next to that, I have my snuffer and my candle wick cutter. And then over here, I have this really beautiful CB2 vessel. I don't know if this is still available. As a side note, again, to you guys, if I can link things, everything will be down in the description box. And then of course, I have my eucalyptus. So again, I have different heights, I have different contrast, I have different textures. Again, bringing some contrast to my kitchen island. So that is look number 1 for you guys. Doing a little pan over of different styles for your soap dispenser, your sponges, or your brushes. So I'm gonna give you guys 3 different looks on how you guys can make that little area by your sink really cute. All right guys, so here is style number 2 for you guys. I incorporated a little bit more of black and wood elements. You guys don't know, if you guys can tell by my home, I have a lot of black, white, brown, wood elements. So I thought this would be a really fun look to kind of incorporate all those. So starting with this is a round cutting board. I did get this from HomeGoods. It was originally in a wood that I wasn't a super fan on, so I ended up spraying it black. Again, having something that grounds the decor space. So this is a black round cutting board that I spray painted black. And then right here is a little wood pedestal that I actually bought off of Amazon, and on top of it is a burning candle. And then behind it, I have the new Studio McGee pedestal bowl in a kind of off-white, and then I just incorporated some fresh citrus. I have lemons and oranges. And then next to that is my cooking books again, my Magnolia Home cooking books. And to the right of that is a really beautiful amber glass vase that I actually got during the holidays around fall time at Target, and then I incorporated those eucalyptus branches in there as well. So I typically always like to have my fresh greens, you guys should know this by now, between my coffee tables and my sideboards. I always have fresh greens, whether that's flowers, stems from trees. I think this is a really great way to add some contrast, dimension, and height for a kitchen island. So that is style number 2 for you guys. Style number 3 for you guys. It's a realistic approach to styling an island. I know a lot of people like to house their fruit, their fresh vegetables on their kitchen island, so that is exactly what I did. Starting with the bowls, these are antique dough bowls. I have 2 of them and I just had them stacked within one another. And then when I get my fresh fruit, you guys might think I'm like either super OCD or super crazy, but I love having my fruits be in the RGB gov, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue. I love having that in order for whatever reason. I could be totally crazy, but it's just the little things like that that just make my heart super warm. So having my fruit kind of organized by color makes me feel better, makes me feel good about it, and it just is aesthetically super pleasing for whatever reason. So sound off down below. Do you guys do that with your fruit, or am I just crazy pants? So I have the fruit there paired in the antique dough bowls, and then to the right of it I have a black vessel with, again, those eucalyptus stems. So there's color, there's contrast between the wood and the black, there's the color with the fruit, and then there's the texture with the eucalyptus branches, again bringing some height. So again, I did a less is more approach, a more of a realistic approach for a lot of you guys. So that is style number 3 for you guys. Fourth and final look. Miss Ryder girl just woke up from her nap, so I actually have to cut this video a little bit short. I wanted to do 5 looks and 5 styles for you guys, but this is going to be the last one. So starting again, I have that elevated charcuterie oversized board that I have everything paired on this. This one I did a little bit more decor and more styling. This is the black vessel. It's very similar to the Joshua vessel from Pottery Barn. Again, always have greens, always have that live factor. It just adds so much contrast to styling your island. To the side of it, again, I have that Magnolia Home cooking books there. I have the salt bowls that I have talked about in multiple videos. Those are for salt, but I use them for decor around my house. There are 2 of them there that I just have stacked within one another to add a little bit of contrast and dimension. I then have a burning candle, and then the last element of this style is the white pedestal bowl that I also got from Pottery Barn, and then I just mixed a variety of lemons, limes, and oranges in there for color. So again, use simple things like greenery, fruits for color, for dimension, and have fun with it, you guys. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, got some inspiration for styling your kitchen island, and as always, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.